What's the meaning of choo-choo? Choo-choo. Choo-choo.
Choo-choo. Choo-choo. The term choo-choo is an onomatopoeic word that imitates the sound of a train whistle. This expression is often used to describe the sound that a train makes when it is moving along its tracks. The choo-choo sound is made by the train's steam locomotive, which uses steam pressure to power its engine and move the train forward. The sound of a choo-choo can be both exciting and nostalgic, evoking images of trains pulling into stations, crossing countryside or rushing through tunnels at high speeds.